Oh, yeah.
Learn the ropes. To become familiar with the basics of a job, activity, or situation. I'm still learning the ropes, but I'm getting there. Meaning, to become comfortable and confident with the basic parts of something by learning how it works. Examples. It takes time to learn the ropes in any new job. Don't worry if you feel lost at first. Everyone has to learn the ropes. She's still learning the ropes, but she's already doing a great job. After a few weeks, he finally felt like he knew the ropes. Origin. The phrase comes from the days of sailing ships. New sailors had to learn how to handle ropes and rigging on a ship by watching experienced crew members and practicing. Modern use. We use learn the ropes in everyday life to mean getting familiar with the basics and figuring things out as you go, often with guidance from others. Conversation example. How's your new job going? It's good, I'm still learning the ropes though. That's totally normal, get the hang of it. Relative expressions. Similar. Get up to speed. Get the hang of it. Find your footing. Get oriented. Opposite or not the same. Be an expert. Know it all. Have it all figured out. Be a pro. When to use it. When you start a new job or role. When you're new to a team, activity, or place. When you need time to understand how something works. When you're gaining experience. Extra example. Remember when you started. You've come a long way. Yeah, I've learned the ropes and feel much more confident now. Key takeaway. When you learn the ropes, you build knowledge, confidence, and skills. One step at a time. Start small, stay curious, keep learning. Remember, be patient with yourself. Ask questions. Observe and listen. Practice and improve. Soon, you'll be the one teaching the ropes. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.